Hello students, today we'll be looking at an advanced Google Slides tutorial. I will be showing you how to insert images as well as create transitions between your slides. So the first thing, we can insert images. So maybe I want to add a zebra picture here. So I have lots of options if I have something in my drive or my photos, or if I already have a URL that I would like to use, that's a website. But I'm going to click on right now, search the web, and then I'm going to type in that zebra. All right, I'm going to see what they give me. Let's go with, actually I think I want a whole bunch of them together. So I'm going to say zebra herd. Wow, yeah, that's amazing. Look at those pictures. I like this one. It looks like they're talking to each other. All right, so that will pop up there. And then from there, I can right click on my the mouse or the mouse pad, depending on what you're using. And then I can decide the order. I want to send it all the way to the back so that the words show up in front. So here I'm going to try then turning those words from black. I'm going to turn them to white to see if they show up better with that image. And I would say this works with the words being a light color, in this case white. I'm going to make Mrs. Rodriguez with that white text as well, so that now you're able to see the words with that background. Okay, so again, that is how to insert an image. Maybe you want the image to be layered with the words like it is here. So let me just add that as a comment. Here the words. Here the words are layered with the image. All right, just to kind of let you know what's going on there. On the next slide, instead of using the image as a background, I'm going to use an image, but I'm going to resize it. So yes, I still want to use zebra herd. That is an amazing picture with tons of zebras. And so now instead of layering it, I'm going to resize it to make it, make it a little bigger. So what I like about this picture, it goes with my text really well. It's showing that it helps them camouflage. Now, when you look at that, you say, wow, that's a lot of zebras. It's not that they're camouflaged with, say, a tree, okay, but they're camouflaged in the sense that it throws off the lion, okay? When a lion looks at that, he doesn't know which one to go after first because there's just so many of them, okay? So in that sense, it is still an example of camouflage. That's something that you would explain to people as you are teaching the lesson, okay? So there we have how to insert an image. Now I'll take a moment to show you how to, let me add a comment here. Comments. So here I resized the image to fit the space without blocking the words. Another thing to consider, I'm going to put this tip here as well. You want the image to match the words, okay? What you show with the pictures should match what you are telling with the words. So here that I'm teaching about zebras, for example, so I'm not going to put, say, a picture of Spider-Man or a picture of a skateboard, okay? That doesn't make sense with the lesson about zebra stripes, so I would not need to add that here, okay? I want to keep my pictures on topic. All right, now let's show you how to do those transitions. So when you're ready to do transitions, you'll go to the slide where you would like to create a transition. And let me remember where it is. Insert. format. Oh dear. Well, this isn't much of a tutorial. Oh, here it is. I knew it was here somewhere. All right, change transition. So you have the words up here, and then you have lots of different tools here. So you will click transition, and then you'll have all these options come up, okay? So when this enters, I'm going to click on my words that I want these words. I want to add an animation. Okay, I want those words to fly in from the top when I click it. Okay, you can choose these, you can play around with them. It's really fun. It is certainly not required. Okay, so please know that. It is not required for you to create any animations. This is just fun stuff. Okay, so then with Mrs. Rodriguez, I'm going to have that fly in from the bottom. And so then you can play. When you hit play, it's going to show you what this will look like. Okay, so I will click, and that comes in. This is when I'm presenting. I'll click again, and it will show my audience my name. Okay, I'm going to hit stop. So now I'm going to my next slide. I'm going to add animations. So maybe I want, let's see, I want zebra stripes to be there already, the title. And so the first thing I'm going to have come in is this picture. So I'm going to say fade in. On click. Okay, that's the first thing. I'm going to add another animation. I'm going to my text now. First, I want to say that they are, oops, I think I added that twice. Yeah, I just need that once. All right, so it's giving me a tip here. Select an object to animate. So I'm going to select this text. Now I say add animation. I want that text to, let's try zoom in when I click it. Okay, now I'm going to select the other text, add another animation, and let's have that just to be consistent. Let's have it zoom in as well. So now I'm going to hit play and see what all that looks like. So I already have my title there. I will click and my picture comes in. I'll click, oh, and both of those came in together, which I guess works. So yeah, I'm okay with that. I'll come back over here and say stop. So I don't need two of those, I really just need one. Okay, so you're welcome to add transitions to each slide. I would say first be sure you have images. That's really important for your students. Okay, visuals are a great way to teach. So have visuals, have pictures first in your PowerPoint, or in this case Google Slides, before you play around with the transitions. All right. I hope this was a helpful tutorial that you're able to continue working. And until next time.